Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup PowerPoint files using OneDrive and recovery tips, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To backup PowerPoint files using OneDrive, start by opening the OneDrive application on your computer. If you haven't installed OneDrive yet, download it from the official website and follow the setup instructions. Once OneDrive is open, sign in with your Microsoft account. Navigate to the folder where you'd like to store your PowerPoint files. Open your PowerPoint presentation that you want to backup. Click on File in the top menu bar, then select Save As. In the Save As dialog box, choose OneDrive as the destination. You can either select an existing OneDrive folder or create a new one for better organization. Enter a name for your presentation if you haven't already, and then click Save. Your PowerPoint file is now backed up to OneDrive. For additional security, enable the autosave feature in PowerPoint. This feature automatically saves your work to OneDrive as you edit the file. To access your PowerPoint file later from a different device, simply log into your OneDrive account. If you need to recover a previous version of your PowerPoint file, go to OneDrive and locate your file. Right-click on the file and select Version History. This will show you a list of previous versions, and you can choose one to restore. If your file is accidentally deleted, check the Recycle bin in OneDrive. From there, you can restore any deleted files within a certain time frame. Regularly check your OneDrive settings to ensure backups are working as intended. Doing so will help protect your PowerPoint presentations in case of data loss or corruption. By following these steps, you can ensure your valuable PowerPoint files are securely backed up and easily recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.